Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power. Make sure the controller has a charged battery or is connected via USB. This avoids wireless pairing errors. Once done, power on the Xbox and watch the controller LED to identify current state. Next, find both sync buttons, the small console button and the controller's top button, then move them within a few feet and remove obstructions, because proximity and clear signals let the pairing pulses register. This prepares the system for the actual sync sequence. You now perform the pairing sequence. Press and hold the console sync until its light flashes, then immediately press and hold the controller sync until the controller LED blinks rapidly. Timing matters, so aim for overlapping windows. If wireless fails, connect the controller to the console with a USB cable and press the Xbox button. This forces a wired sync and often resolves firmware handshake issues. Make sure to keep both devices steady and within range while the LEDs negotiate the new. Once the controller shows a steady LED, test inputs and navigate the menu to confirm full functionality. This verifies both connection and input mapping. If the console prompts, update controller firmware through settings to fix known glitches. If pairing still fails, restart the console, reseat or replace batteries, and swap the USB cable. These simple actions clear transient faults. If problems persist after those steps, try another controller to isolate hardware versus console issues. This narrows down the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.